In this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset Google Pixel. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open settings on Pixel phone, then swipe up for system, then tap on and swipe up again. Here is last option is reset options. So in this last options again, erase all data, that's been factory reset. So tap on here is another option open, and keep in mind if you are using eSIM, that eSIM also erase if you select that. So currently I don't have eSIM, so I'm not going to select this. So tap on erase all data and enter current password or pattern, then it will asking again, then tap on erase all data. So it will restart and erase all data from your Google Pixel. Here after deleting everything, it will boot up again. So it take few moments to erase everything. As you can see, it's erasing. So a factory reset done. So now you can get a start from beginning, like that. You can connect Wi-Fi or just skip, and you can insert any SIM card. That I'm offline, continue, date of time, next, and accept, and skip the password, and getting your phone ready. So you can select a dark or light theme, then swipe to navigation, so skip, yes, all set, and swipe up to start again. So that's how you can factory reset Google Pixel phone. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.